Today, we're going to study reading and writing number in words. In reading and writing numbers in words, we have three things to remember. The first one is, in reading numbers, you need to read numbers starting from the leftmost digit, which is the highest place value. Next is the use of comma and the use of hyphen. The use of comma is to separate the thousands place from the hundreds place, or it is always written after the word thousand, while the hyphen, it is used to write between the tens and the ones number. So let's have our first example. We have 3,756. So here we are going to apply the use of comma and hyphen. So let us write first the word 3,756. We have 3,756. So again, we are going to write the comma after the word thousand, while the hyphen, we are going to write it between the tens and ones place. So let's put the hyphen between tens and ones. That is the correct way in writing number 3,756 in words. Now, let's have our second example, 6,321. Again, let's apply the use of comma and hyphen here. Let's write first the word 6,321. So the first thing that you need to do is to write the comma after the word thousand. Then write the hyphen between the tens and ones number. Let's put the hyphen between them. That is the correct way in writing 6,321 in words. Let's have another example, 32,405. So here we are going to use the hyphen and comma. So let's write first 32,405 in words. Comma is written after the word thousand. Let's write it. While hyphen is used between the word tens and ones number. So let's write hyphen between 32. So that is the correct way in writing 32,405. So now let's have our last example, 20,617. So let's write first 20,617 in words. The first thing that you need to do is to write a comma after the word thousand. Let's write it. Then, let's look the tens and the ones number. Since 20 and 17 are only one word, we don't need to write hyphen between them. That is the correct way in writing 20,617 in words.